Okay, welcome back to our class. See, we are learning about the advantages of manure. Say what? Say manure. Manure is a enhance the water holding capacity. Enhance the water holding capacity. Okay. See, this manure is a make the soil to porous. Porous to soil. Means, see, air will be entering into the soil. And say, next, if a porous and soft is there, soft soil, and what will happen? See, so many microbes also living in soft and porous is there. So many microbes, so many microbes also living in soil and make the soil porous. Next, what said? See, manure increase the number of useful microbes in the soil. Completed. Manure improve the texture of the soil. Manure improve the texture of soil. Next, we have to see the advantages of manure in our land. So many plants is growing like a leguminaceous plants. The leguminaceous plants, in the leguminaceous plants, we have to see the so many leguminaceous plants is there. See, this like leguminaceous plants is there. Here is a see. See, for example, we have to write the groundnut. Groundnut. See, this is a groundnut. Okay. See this one, groundnut pad. Say inside is there seed is there, and here is a root nodules is there. What do you call it? Root nodule. What is the function of root nodule? Root nodule is a synthesizing of the nitrogen. See, synthesizing the ammonia. See, it is a atmosphere to they are getting the nitrogen through root to water. Through root to through root to water. What will happen? Here is a ammonia is a preparation. Ammonia is a preparation. Ammonia is a preparation. See, that's why it is a so many plants is a make the our soil to fertile. Especially leguminaceous plants. Leguminaceous plants like a all pulses has a leguminaceous plants like see groundnut, soybean, chana, urad, moong, see tuwa. See these all plants is belongs to legume plants. See it is a soil fertility will be increasing. Next we have to learn about the planting of the legume crop in a field the some effect of adding the nitrogen fertilizers. Nitrogen fertilizers is a adding. Next we have to learn about the crop rotation. Crop rotation. Okay. Crop rotation. Okay, before starting this topic, number of questions is arising in our mind. See, is the need to the crop rotation? Why do we rotating the crops? See, this like questions is arising in our mind. But crop rotation is a very important because see we have a basically two seasons is there. One is a Kharif season, another one is a Rabi season. For example, this is a Kharif season. See, in Kharif season, we shown in this Kharif season soya bean or moong. See, moong or udad. Okay, see this like udad. See this like plants is a shown in our field. What will happen? This all plants is a belongs to the legume plant. Leguminaceae plants. See, these leguminaceae plants has a root nodules and they are fixation of ammonia. Fixation of the ammonia. Next, we have to see the in Rabi crop. See, Rabi crop, we are getting the another crops. Like we have to see the cereals like a wheat, jawari, millet. See this like we have to take in this crop because this soya bean, moong, udad, see it is a already we are getting Kharif crop only. See, in this land is fertilized because leguminaceae plants is helping to the leguminaceae plant helping to the synthesizing or fixation of ammonia. Next, Kharif Rabi crop, wheat, jawari, millet, we have to take. It will be giving to the good yielding to our field. Next, we have to see the crop rotation. Crop improve the fertility of soil. It is a improve the fertility of soil. And what's it? Next, we have to see the nitrogen. Enhance the about the increase the production of grains. Increase the production of the grain also. Next, rotation crop saves the nitrogen fertilizers. See, this is saving the nitrogen fertilizers. Next, we have to see the irrigation. What is irrigation? See, we have to learn now. Next, irrigation. Okay, what is irrigation? What say? The process of supplying of water to crop. The process of supply to crop plant, the process of supply to crop. What's it? The process of supplying water to supplying water to crop. See, we are calling the irrigation. See, the process of supplying water to crop is called, see, irrigation. See, field. Next we have to see the here number of is there. Why is the irrigation? Why is irrigation necessary? What's it? Why is irrigation is necessary? Why is irrigation is necessary? Is a need to irrigation? Yes. See, plants or crops is a continuously require the water. Okay. Now we have to see the in South India. See, they are cultivating main crop is a rice. Is there rice? The rice is a required the continuously water. But in some region, in Maharashtra, in Uttar Pradesh, we have to see that they are mostly cultivating the wheat. See, it is a required the less water, but water is a required. Water is a required. Next, we have to see the this water is a helping to the growing of the plant. Without water, they can't grow. And what said irrigation is necessary for provide the moisture for the seed germination. Seed is a required the moisture for our irrigation. Okay, it is a required. Next, what say? Say water supply to the crop during irrigation protect the crop plant and hot air current as well as frost. See, this line is a protecting and irrigation is a important. Next, factor affecting the irrigation requirement of crop, nature of the crop and nature of the soil season. See, factor affecting okay. See, factor affecting nature of the soil, nature of the crop. See, we have to see the nature of the crop. Which crop is required the more water, which crop is required the very less water. See, next, nature of the soil. Okay, you already learned in 7th standard. It is a soil profile also. It is a different types of soils is there. Sandy soil, loamy soil, blacky soil, red soil is there. Next, factor affecting the seasons. What's it? Nature of the crop. For example, paddy crop. It is a required the standing water. Okay, it is a continuously required the water. See, this is a crop. Next, we have to see the wheat. Wheat is a required the very less water. It is a, see, before sowing the seeds. Next, after sowed the seed once, and last in flowering time. See, it is a 2-3 times is a required the wheat crop. But if I providing the excessive water to this wheat crop, what will happen? Wheat crop will be damaged. For example, For example, wheat crop showing in Kharif season. What will happen? It is a heavy rain is there and the crop will be damaged. Crop will be damaged. Next we have to see the nature of the soil. For example, sandy soil is there. Sandy soil. Okay, sandy soil water holding capacity is very less. Very less. See, in the sandy soil, it required the continuously water because more porous is present in between the soil particles and the sand particles is a more far away. See this like easily entering into the soil, easily entering into the air, and water will be evaporate rapidly. See, that's why here growing in the sandy soil crop is required the frequently water. See, that's why in our India so many areas has a sandy soil. The sandy soil has a required the continuously water. See, in this area they are getting only one crop, kharif crop. Kharif crop. Okay, water scarcity is there. They depend on only rainy water. Rainy water. See, is there bore well, tube wells? Is there water sources, canals, dams, projects? See, is there? They are using. Next, we have to see the loamy soil. See, compared to the sandy soil, the loamy soil is a water holding capacity is there. Next, we have to see the blacky soils in our area. So many areas for is there blacky soils. Blacky soil has a water holding capacity is more compared to the loamy soil, sandy soil. Water holding capacity is more. It is a required the more water, and the water holding capacity is more. In this soil we are getting the 2-3 crops yearly. 2 crops getting. See, some areas is getting the 3 crops also. See, this blacky soil is a more moistureness and it is a fertile soil. Okay. See, we are getting the in that soil it is a more economically important soils. Now we have to see the some Maharashtra region, Karnataka. See, Tamil Nadu. See, it is a Godavari basin and Krishna. See, there is a fertile blacky soil is there. See, it is a getting the economic important crops in that area. Next, we have to see the seasons. Seasons also affecting the factor. Okay, seasons. Rainy season is there and winter. Next, summer. 3 seasons is there. In rainy seasons, water is more, rain is more, heavy rains is there in summer regions. Next, winter season. What will happen? See, in winter season, water is very less. See, there is no rain. See, the rainwater is evaporating. The soil particles is coming to each other and they will become a solid like hard like substances. See, this like the particles is coming together close to each other. What will happen? The plants doesn't grow properly. The plants is not getting, the crop is not getting the see this water also. See, we have to provide the water for artificial. See, canal water, lake water, river water we have to provide. See, it is a summer season. So many trees will be dry. See, their leaves is shed because of scarcity of the water. See, that's why it is a factor affecting nature of the crop, nature of the soil and seasons. In this, next we have to see the another factor affecting irrigation requirement crop. It is completed. Next we have to see the another one, Source of irrigation. What are the sources is there? Source of irrigation. Source of irrigation. See what sources is there? Rainwater is there. Next, dam. Dam water. River. Godavari, Krishna, Ganga, this river. Lake. Lake water. Next, pond water. Pond water. Well water. Well water. Tube well. Tube well water. See this like. Next, see we have to in our area. It is a so many. See this like lakes, rivers. For example, we have to see the in our area Nizam Sagar project. Nizam Sagar project. Okay, in this 2-3 district, 2 district is giving to the water for cultivation of crop. Next is Sri Ram Sagar project in Maharashtra, Biloli, Bobli project. See this like number of project is in our rivers. See we have to conserve the water here only. Okay.